So this fault code here is the throttle body. What will happen is the throttle itself will kind of play up. It won't be stable in one position. As you can see on there, it's playing up and down, and you can even try and clear it. Obviously if the engine runs, it won't like it. So, and as you can see, if I do a full scan, it's not there anymore. But the throttle body is playing. I can see it going up and down, which is going to come back up on you because it picks you up. It's too clever, the system's too clever. It'll probably pick up in about 5-10 minutes when you drive it and stuff. It realizes, and then there's a slight judder as well. So I mean, the way to solve it is really to kind of replace the throttle body, and this should cure it. Once you've done that, it should be fine. And if it does need coding in, obviously you'll need the right software. Either these hotels will do it, or the genuine dealer software too. So like I said, to fix that code, you'll have to go into special functions, teaching processes, initialize after component, and throttle valve is there. Sometimes it will reword it differently, but in this case it is there, and you may need to turn the engine on and get it running, and it will kind of rev it up to a certain. So it's like in everything so far. Turn the ignition on. We'll see what it tells us to do. Switch ignition off at 60 seconds, then back on again. Typical Ford does this as well, so it's just a way of doing it. So we'll just wait. Hopefully it should be good. So we're near the end. Got 10 hours to turn the ignition back on now. Okay, turn it on. I mean, this is, I'm sure Snap-on will do it as well. So it's done it successfully. I thought it was actually going to tell us to turn it on and do it a bit differently, but it seems to be good. I mean, I'll see. Obviously, it's the original throttle body on there still, so I'll just see if it has cured it or not. If not, nope, it's playing up, as you can see. So it is faulty, definitely is faulty. It needs changing. Once you've changed it, like I said, just do that what I've done and you should cure it.